Denotation of the ninth house lord in each of the 12 houses in the horoscope. The denotation of the ninth house lord in each of the 12 houses in a horoscope provides insights into areas related to higher knowledge, spirituality, beliefs, and long-distance travel. Here is a general overview of the denotations. First house. When the ninth house lord is in the first house, it suggests that the individual's personal identity, self-expression, and physical body may be strongly influenced by their philosophical beliefs, higher learning, or spiritual pursuits. They may have an expansive and adventurous outlook on life and seek to explore new horizons. Second house. When the ninth house lord is in the second house, it indicates that the individual's finances, material possessions, and values may be influenced by their beliefs, higher education, or spiritual values. They may place importance on accumulating knowledge and may have a philosophical approach to managing their resources. Third house. When the ninth house lord is in the third house, it suggests that the individual's communication, siblings, and skills may be influenced by their philosophical beliefs or higher learning. They may have a curious and open-minded approach to gathering information and may excel in fields related to teaching, writing, or publishing. Fourth house. When the ninth house lord is in the fourth house, it signifies that the individual's home, family, and emotional well-being may be influenced by their cultural background, philosophical beliefs, or spiritual practices. They may have a deep connection to their roots and may find comfort and solace in their spiritual or religious beliefs. Fifth house. When the ninth house lord is in the fifth house, it indicates that the individual's creativity, romance, and children may be influenced by their beliefs, higher knowledge, or spiritual pursuits. They may have a strong sense of purpose and may seek to express their creativity in a way that aligns with their philosophical or spiritual values. Sixth house. When the ninth house lord is in the sixth house, it suggests that the individual's work, health, and daily routines may be influenced by their beliefs, higher learning, or spiritual practices. They may find meaning and purpose in service-oriented professions or may incorporate spiritual practices into their daily lives for improved well-being. Seventh house. When the ninth house lord is in the seventh house, it indicates that the individual's partnerships, marriage, and significant others may be influenced by their philosophical beliefs or spiritual values. They may seek a partner who shares their worldview or may find growth and expansion through their relationships. Eighth house. When the ninth house lord is in the eighth house, it suggests that the individual's shared resources, transformation, and occult matters may be influenced by their philosophical beliefs or spiritual practices. They may have a deep interest in exploring the mysteries of life and may undergo profound transformations through their spiritual or metaphysical pursuits. Ninth house. When the ninth house lord is in the ninth house itself, it amplifies the energies of the house. The individual may have a strong connection to higher knowledge, spirituality, and philosophical beliefs. They may pursue higher education, travel to distant lands, or engage in spiritual practices for personal growth. 10th house. When the ninth house lord is in the 10th house, it suggests that the individual's career, public image, and social status may be influenced by their philosophical beliefs or higher learning. They may aspire to positions of authority or leadership in fields related to education, religion, or philosophy. 11th house. When the ninth house lord is in the 11th house, it indicates that the individual's friendships, social network, and aspirations may be influenced by their philosophical beliefs or spiritual values. They may have like-minded friends and may find fulfillment through group activities that align with their higher ideals. 12th house. When the ninth house lord is in the 12th house, it suggests that the individual's spirituality, subconscious mind, and hidden aspects of life may be strongly influenced by their philosophical beliefs or spiritual practices. They may have a deep interest in mystical or esoteric subjects and may find solace and enlightenment through introspection and spiritual retreats.